10, 4, 5. 10th canto, 4th chapter, 5th verse. Bahavo himsita bhrataha Shishvaha pavako pamaha Tvaya deva nishritena Putrika kaika pradiyata. My dear brother, by the influence of destiny, you have already killed so many babies, each one of them as bright and beautiful as fire, but kindly spare this daughter. Give her to me as your gift. So Prabhupada says here, she is being very clever. See, the situation is not easy, but she is using all her intelligence. We saw Vasudeva also in the previously when he was about to kill Devaki. He was all his intelligence to save the life of Devaki and was successful. First he tried to give him philosophical instruction. He could see that person behave like a stone. Nothing was going inside his head. And then after that, he gave him a promise that I'll give you all my children. And which worked, okay. And he was very respectful to him when speaking all the things, particularly second time, with a smiling face, cheerfully, with the very respectfully. He said, okay, I will give you all my children. And it worked. So Prabhupada says sometimes this is the nature of this world. So to get the work done, you have to respect even the demons. That's the nature of this world. So similarly here we see in the situation of the personality here, Devaki, Vasudeva's wife. She is also very intelligent. She has to save. Now she has a handle on Kamsa more than Vasudeva. She is a sister, cousin sister actually, and she is therefore requesting him, because he had avoided to kill her when she was pregnant 8 times. Kamsa was thinking it not be good to kill a pregnant woman, particularly when she is in my shelter, and it will bring a great big name, bad name. But now, even though he saw the child is a girl, because the prediction of the 8th child will be male, Krishna will kill. It's a girl, small child. And in the Vedic culture, woman is not punished by king. There is no punishment for women. For small children, for women, for elderly people, for brahmanas, there is no punishment. They are above law. Children are above law. They can do anything, they are not punished. Correct? Shri Radha Govinda ki. Suppose small child does something, if you will not punish. They call the parents. In schools also, when child does something, they'll call the parents and they'll bang the parents. They'll not hit a small child. So similarly, anyways, a woman is also given all protection. She is not given any punishment. She is above law. That's Manusmriti. Now here, she is very clever as a wife of a Kshatriya. So what is this? 3 things. Dama, Sama, Dama, Sama and Dana. The first she uses Dama. Scolding. What is all this? You killed all my children who are bright like fire. But no use. Kamsa is nothing happening. Then Sama. Okay, no, it's okay. It's out of destiny. That's how people are very peaceful in India. You understand? And then the third thing, Dana. If somebody, the king, he sees somebody is not working properly, what the king will do first thing in politics? We should not have done like that. That's not correct. But the person doesn't listen. Then he'll make Sama. Now see, it's okay. We try to understand. That also doesn't work. Then charity. He'll give him a gift. Be happy. Be comfortable. Correct? It's all politics. So giving gift or accepting gift. She's telling, you give me the child as a gift. Where is this part of a Kshatriya? So the point is that in this world, the world is so situated. Even when we are going meeting public. The society is also in that way. Sometimes we have to respect even demons. to get the work done. You're going for some work, some registration, some government work, and the person out that side is a drunkard. But still, they say, please help me get this work done. That's the nature of this world. That's to be intelligent. And no, I will only depend on the Lord. I'll not show respect to anybody whom I do not feel is worthy of respect. Then better live alone in a forest. Don't come to city for preaching. Correct? You have this idealistic principle, sit in. You will not be successful. Anna? You have to be very practical in this world. And we see how Vasudeva did it. Correct? In fact, there was a very nice instance in Chaitanya Charitamrita. This was Raghunath Das. Raghunath Das was at home. And he told Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, I want to join you. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, no. Be honest to Krishna in the heart and be normal outside. So what did he do? Yes, there was Hiranya and Govardhan Majumdar were about to be arrested because they were doing some black. They were not submitting proper tax to the government, and one person knew it. He complained. So he came with the police to get him arrested. Some soldiers of the king. He ran away. Hiranya Govardhan Majumdar ran away, saving themselves from arrest. And Raghunath Das was at home. He arrested him. Raghunath Das, that person was with big beard, sitting. So Raghunath Das approached him one day. You are like my father. Sometimes, and my parents and you are all like therefore brothers. Sometimes brothers quarrel, but at the same time, they should find a solution. So gently said, you are like my father, that from the tears came and they fell on his beard. Okay, tell me what should be done. See, I'll arrange a meeting to settle all this. And they settled. So Prabhupada says he was not Buddha. He gave respect to the man who was not worthy of respect as such. But that's how we should be intelligent in this world. We should not be a fool. So similarly we see that Devaki is not a fool. She is very, very intelligent. Hare Krishna.